Hello, I am Colin. I've got my son Joshua who's gonna help me test this new Cobra 4x4 roof rack platform that we've just installed. Now this platform is installed on a next gen Ranger. This is a MY 2003.5, so it's just been released in June. It's about mid-July at the moment. We've just put it on and I've gotten Joshua to jump on top of the roof rack, and I'll get him to do a bit of a jump so we can see how well it holds up. Go Josh! It simply goes into the rail and then screws back in as you've seen me doing the same. Take off this piece of trim. The trim fits like that. You unscrew the bolt from inside the car and then just cut it and it pops straight off. So we're now inside the car and I'm going to show you what you need to do to drop the ceiling lining so that you can access the screw and the nut that secures first the trim, and then once we're done that will actually secure the roof rack bracket to the car roof. And now I'm going to pull out the T15. So once the rear handle's gone, we can undo the rubber on the door and pull this panel all the way back. Now it's really important to note that those clips stay on the plastic. If they don't, you have to put them back, otherwise they won't be able to be reinstalled. We need to remove firstly, and then to put an 8mm bolt in and another nut on to secure the roof rack. That's the nut there. That's the nut there, and then the top of it is just behind this plate, so you can't see it inside the roof. This is the airbag, which is why you have to be careful, and you can just by pulling the ceiling ever so slightly and get just enough access to get a spanner onto that. Okay, we're now ready to put the roof rack onto the car. So we've got the brackets mounted on the car. The roof rack is assembled. It's more or less correctly aligned with the width of the brackets. And at this stage you need to get a mate. Up until now I've done most of it myself, except for when you screw down the bolts. It helps if someone holds the other part down for you so it doesn't turn. But certainly getting in on the car, you need some help so you don't scratch the roof. And that's what we're going to do right now. So here goes. Okay, that's it. The roof rack is on, a couple of bolts, and we'll be all done. I'll be with you shortly. So just a quick recap as to why I chose the Cobra 4x4 roof rack platform. It's the price. So that roof rack sells for $600. If you went with ARB or Off-Road Animal or the Rhino rack, which looks very similar, same for the specification, they also weigh around 20 kilograms. Some of them only fit with 4 bolts on the roof. This one, 4 holes, standard 4 holes fits the roof bracket, but I also chose to throw additional 4, so I've got 8 bolts holding it down. And yeah, I think it looks the same. It's functional, works really well. So I'm happy with that choice. All the best with your roof rack.